Looks like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I got my front room looking from this to this, then keep watching. So guys, I really hate how dull my living room is looking, so I thought that I will glam it up. It looks a bit boring at the minute, and we don't like boring. So yeah, I just thought that I will sort it out. So first thing I did was to get rid of this tent that the kids have turned into their playroom. Even though they've got like one playroom downstairs and a playroom in their bedroom, they still turned my living room into a playroom. So first thing I'm doing is to get rid of all their toys and put it in their playroom, so that bit will be nice and clear. So after clearing out the kids' toys, first thing I'm gonna do is to remove this mirror. I don't even know why I bought this mirror, guys. I've hated it ever since I got it. So yeah, time to get rid of it and replace it with this beautiful windowed mirror. Like, it just brightens up the living room and I absolutely love it. I bought this mirror from Home Bargain for $7.99, guys. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is to tidy up the radiator and actually use the radiator cover underneath the TV to cover the radiator, because guys, that's what it's for, right? So yeah, that's what I did. And then yeah, so after covering my radiator with the radiator cover, I added in this lovely plant. I bought this plant last year from Primark for £12, and then I got this beautiful ornament. I got the elephant from Azrya for £8 and the little vase from B&M for £3 each. So after tackling that area, making it look nice and cute, I'm now going to add one of my favorite things that I've bought this year, my fireplace. Guys, I'm so happy with this fireplace. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to put it out. I can't wait for my partner to come home and see the look in his face when he sees how I have transformed the living room. Guys, look how beautiful this fireplace is. Like, I'm so in love with it, and it changes colors as well, and I feel like it's just so calming and so relaxing. I absolutely love it. So this is how my living room is looking so far, guys. I am so happy. This is my sofa area, how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. Guys, like, I'm so proud of myself. If you guys haven't watched my hallway video, go and watch it, how I redecorated my hallway. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked what I've done to my living room. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.